I'm Director of Culinary Innovation, Chef Greg Mueller. I'm a World Chef certified master chef with over 18 years experience. If you name it, I can cook it. So let's get cooking.
Hey there, REC TEC family, Chef Greg with you today. Today we're doing chicken teriyaki and vegetable fried rice on the new REC TEC Matador. Couldn't be any easier. We've got this set on medium-high heat. I've got some olive oil. We're gonna put in a couple tablespoons of olive oil. I've got my rice. So that's gonna be 3 cups of cooked rice. I'm gonna add in a little onion, some carrot, a little salt and pepper, let that get good and happy. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of ginger, we've got 3 beaten eggs, some green onion, some green peas, some toasted sesame seeds, touch of parsley, some soy sauce, all right, our rice is almost done, so let's go ahead and get our chicken started. So I've got 3 chicken breasts here that I've cut really thin. We're gonna get that seasoned with some salt and pepper. Okay. And then the secret here is a little bit of cornstarch, okay? And what that's gonna do is kind of separate the pieces of chicken a little bit and give us a nice texture on the outside of the chicken. All right, that rice is looking pretty good. So we'll go ahead and pull that out of the hot zone. And we'll go ahead and sear our chicken right in here. A little bit of oil. We're going to add that chicken. All right, so our chicken's about 90% cooked. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get our rice out so that we can glaze our chicken. And look how nice and crispy that is. We've got some teriyaki sauce. Again, this is not the glaze, so make sure you get the sauce. We'll add about a cup. Go ahead and glaze that chicken really nice. Looking tasty. Get this turned off. We'll go ahead and serve it up. Chicken's perfectly tender, cooked and glazed in the sauce. We're gonna do this family style. Use that shovel, get all that out of there. Flip this around. So here you go for a massive family, maybe a REC TEC family. We've got some vegetable fried rice and chicken teriyaki. Go get a piece in here. Some rice. A lot of that ginger. It's really tasty. Pick up a Matador. Make Chinese takeout, but make it yourself.